Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to assign a product template in Shopify in 2025. And to do so, it's very easy. Just open your Shopify app, and here, as you can see, we are on the home page. And to assign a product template, it's very easy. Let's go to sales channel here and go to online store, and then you will go automatically to themes. Then scroll down a little bit. Here, for example, I want this theme. I will go to customize it. And then here I'll have this homepage that I can customize. Then I will scroll down a little bit, and here I'll find my product, right? So I will click on it. I will click on it again, and here you will find this page, right? So here, what we're going to do is go to default product here, this button in the center. It may not be named default product for you. Maybe you have renamed it, but for me, it's just default product. Just check the center button on the top, right? So click on here and then go to products, and here create template. Here you can name it anything, and then it's based on default product or whatever page you have. Then create template, and here you'll be good. Now to use it, it's very easy. Let's just exit this, then go to products, then go to this one, for example. If I scroll down a little bit, I will find this theme template, and I can just click on test and then save, and I'll be good. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.